koponan.
Mia Humiro closing the door.
Nakangiti, oh. There's Pablo Stimosa, cross-court ball.
Combination play, Myla Pablo.
Sila naman ang mga bagong star players na dapat niyong abangan.
Ito si Justin Dorog, siga lang talaga.
Jolan scores once more.
And that is a bomb coming from Isa Montes.
Attack on top of the blocker, itong si De Leon.
Sinunod once
The
again.
Shakey's Feeling sa GMA News TV. Rana.
Manunood.
Sa lahat po na nagtatanong na mahigit 2 linggo na, ito na po ang inyong kasagutan. Opo, ngayon po ang laban ng Ateneo at saka NU at silang lahat alam din po nila. Kaya kaninang umaga pa po sila nakapila para masaksihan itong ating huling laban para sa magkabilang kupunan dito po sa ating quarterfinal round. The number 1 undefeated team Ateneo going up against NU. Noel Zarate po kasama si Ivy Remulla. Makikita natin sa ating team standing. These two teams already assured of the semifinals.
That's right. So magkakatalo na lang ngayon is kung kakayanin ba ng NU to go or gain that number 1 spot. Kasi kung manalo sila ngayon, at least with 3 sets siguro to be sure,
Right.
pwede sila mag number 1.
And of course, itong kupunan ng Ateneo gusto nilang mapanatili ang kanilang undefeated mark. Pag-usapan natin itong kupunan ng Ateneo. Let's cut to the chase right now. Diretso na tayo pag-usapan na natin si Eliza Valdez at si Joanna Maraguinot. Yan po yung dalawa nilang kamador.
That's right. So Eliza Valdez, dati we're used to seeing always, or we're just used to hearing na laging Eliza Valdez making the scores here for Ateneo. But now, meron na siyang katulong.
Yes.
So Joanna Maraguinot has really proven herself to be also one of the ace spikers para dito sa Ateneo.
Well, of course naman, para dito sa kupunan ng Ateneo, they will not be having the services of Madi Madayag today. Madi Madayag had a hyperextended left knee. She is out, so nagkulang bigla sa laki itong Lady Eagles.
But then again, marami pa rin namang pwedeng paikutin dito si Coach. So we will see ngayon kung anong klaseng adjustment ang gagawin nila in terms of how they would be placing in the positions. We all know that Amy Ahumiros, siya yung kanyang, pwede siya mag-switch ng places. So,
Yeah,
so
from
titignan
utility
natin
to
who's
quicker, yeah.
quicker. So titignan natin kung ano magiging game plan ng Ateneo for today.
Well, ang game plan po dito naman ng kupunan ng National University is to hire the help of a veteran. Number 4 po ang kanyang jersey. Not familiar to sa mapas. Ganun ba kasi matagal na hindi naglalaro. Ruby De Leon po, kinuha na po dito ni Coach Roger Gorayev to reinforce itong kanyang kupunan. And syempre, she will be reunited here with Dindin Santiago Manaban.
That's right. So parang Coach Roger talaga means business. Talagang gusto talaga niya na makasiguro na moving forward in this competition. And we all know with experience that Ruby De Leon has, malaki ang magiging contribution, malaki ang magiging maitutulong niya dito para sa Lady Bulldogs.
May dalawa na silang guest player itong kupunan ng NU. The question is, will it be enough going up against the undefeated Lady Eagles? Palalaman po natin yan sa aming pong pagbabalik. Live na live po tayo sa GMA News TV. Ateneo taking on NU. Dito lang po sa Shakey's Feeling.
Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Liberato Benito Jr., international referee. Our second referee, Rodrigo Rojas, national referee. Now for the starting lineup of the Lady Eagles. Number 15, Joanna Maraguinot. Number 16, Amy Ahumiro. Number 7, Giselle Tan. Number 14, Bea De Leon. Number 18, Kim Hegiliana. And their team captain, number 2, Eliza Valdez. Their libero, number 8, Ella De Jesus. Their coach, Coach Anusorn Tai Bunde. And now for the starting lineup of the Lady Bulldogs. Number 4, Ruby De Leon. Number 3, Jaja Santiago. Number 17, Myla Pablo. Number 9, Aiko Urdas. Number 16, Dindin Manabat. And their team captain, number 14, Jorel Singh. Mary Rivero, number 5, Fatima General. Their head coach, Coach Roger Gorayev. To all the fans here in the arena and to all the viewers of GMA News TV, let's get it on!
Ayan na, let's get it on! And of course, there are still people outside the venue dito, Ivy, at yung mga iba, umagang-umaga pa lamang po nandito para makakuha ng ticket para masaksihan itong, maraming nagsasabi, possible preview of the championship.
That's right. So kaya parang itong mga fans natin talagang they know what good games would be So very much anticipated. Kaya nga nasabi mo kanina, marami nagtatanong kailan ba magtatapat itong dalawang to. So ito na. Andito na tayo for today.
At least for the quarterfinals because there is a chance that they still may meet in the finals. Eliza Valdez, nasa harapan niya kahagad ito si Jaja Santiago. In fact, looking at the lineup nitong NU sa pagbabalik ni Ruby De Leon dito, it looks like the old lineup in 2013 kung saan tinalo nila yung Ateneo in the championship with the exception of course of Jorel Singh.
And we all know also that Ruby has been with NU. I mean, even at sa not really playing with them, but nag-coach din siya for a while So, alam na yung kabisado niya yung sistema dito sa NU.
First serve coming from Maraguinot as we are underway. Back set ngayon para dito kay Jorel Singh. Malakas. Unang puntos para sa Ateneo. So, Jorel Singh will be relied upon for a lot of points. Mas lalo dito sa open. Tandaan natin, she's taking the place of Mina Aganon.
Yes.
Sa lineup na ito. So, Mina Aganon lang ang naiba. It's still the same lineup. Well, of course, Jen Reyes na binabati natin. Nanonood daw ngayon sa Bulacan. Team bahay daw siya ngayon.
Team bahay,
Service ace para dito kay Maraguinot. At bigla na wala ang ngiti ng mga taga-NU. So now Maraguinot once again. Second leading scorer of the squad. General lifts it up. Jaja sending it to Myla Pablo off the hands of Ahomiro. Nakapuntos na rin ang NU. So 2-1 for the Lady Eagles. Eto na ang pagbabalik ni Ruby. Si Ruby Telerti, kinakantsawan pa nga natin kanina. Akala ba magre-retire ka na? Sabi niya bukas.
Bukas na daw magre-retire.
Service ace kaagad. Her first point this conference. Ito si Ruby De Leon, many-time member of the national team. Of course, a former finals MVP when she was playing for NU as a guest player in 2013. Another good one. Maraguinot gets to it. Tan sets up Ahomiro. Nandun naman si Jaja. Tan goes to the other side. Valdez trying to go over the defense. Nahabol yan ni Myla Pablo. Back set ngayon. Pamimigay ni Jorel Singh. Hekiliana. Tan going to Eliza. And she is snuffed out by the net. So mamaya-maya init din yan.
Actually, both of them pero parang medyo pang movements
Into the net yung kanyang tira doon. So Ruby De Leon still serving NU now with the lead. Nice one again coming from De Leon. Giselle Tan sets it up. Eliza, pamimigay muna. Ordaz. De Leon, quick set to Jaja. Pababa na si Jaja nun,
Again, that's one of the advantages of being tall Kasi kahit na medyo ma-off ka, dahil tangkad mo, maaabutan mo talaga
Ultra fast fight pa yan. Natin sa atin na PLDT Home Volterra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Ruby De Leon. Serving once again. Former best server, actually. Tan lifts it up. Valdez attacks. That is a good block there coming from Jaja. Nire-reklamo yan ni Coach Roger. Samantala, Ateneo goes long. And Coach Roger, napangiti na lang. Net daw ang nag-block, hindi daw si Jaja. Any point that he can get.
Oh, yeah. And yung mga coach natin, lalo yung mga seasoned coaches, talaga mabibilis din ang mga mata sa ganyan
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. De Leon, napalakas na this time. So 5-3 ang ating score. Serving now, Amy Ahomiro para sa Ateneo. So again, in the absence of Madi Madayag, Ahomiro will now be the full-time quicker para sa Ateneo. Good serve. Jaja off the net. Good.
The little help from the net. Yun yung minsan nakakainis. Yung parang nakaabang ka na, tapos biglang sasabit sa net. Mawawala yung timing mo doon sa bola.
Ito si Jaja is back to serve. Nasa harapan ng mga yun si Ate Dindin. And PLDT Home Volterra, the Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Great serve there coming from Jaja. Eliza! Lifted up there by Singh. De Leon going to Pablo. Cross court. Dug up there by Ella De Jesus. Back set ngayon para dito kay Maraginot, and Maraginot has missed all of her attempts so far here.
Good call from Jarrell Singh in letting that go.
And Maraginot says, bawi ako to Coach Tai. Hindi ko alam kung naintindihan ni Coach Tai yun.
Siguro yung mga i-common naman yun eh. So feeling ko alam na ni Coach tayo yung phrase na yun.
Power! Kaganyan si Coach Tai mamaya. Jaja, sharp serve. Good start for the National University. They're up by 5 sa ating first technical timeout of set number 1. We will be right back. Ito po ating mga GMA Public Affairs social media sites. Follow them on Facebook and on Instagram as we send it now to the third member of our panel, Trisha Robredo.
Noel and Ivy, well, you would usually hear coaches say that their team's primary objective is to win games. Magkaiba daw ang objetibo nitong magkaibigan na si Coach Roger at si Coach Tai. Sabi daw nila bilang wala na masyadong bearing ang larong ito sa kanilang standings, ang objetibo ay ma-maximize ang exposure at experience bilang paghahanda para sa kanilang collegiate league. Kaya naman kung mapapansin ay sinasalang paminsan-minsan ng dalawang kupunan ng mga baguhan. At sa NU, for instance, ang nagbabalik at nangangapa pa rin na si Aiko Ordas. Now, both coaches admit that they're still not fairly satisfied with the performance, but they also said that rookies are rookies, kaya they're a little more patient with them. Now, to hasten up the growing process for the Lady Bulldogs, Coach Roger praised as his guest players Dindin Marawat and veteran setter Ruby De Leon. Pero clarify niya rin, they're not here to win the games for us. They're here to inspire and to show us what's right. Kaya the rest of the work, atin pa din yun. Back to you guys.
Well, it always helps naman to to have a Dindin and a Ruby on your team.
That's right. But yun tama rin sila, but you cannot rely on them.
Correct.
They're here to help, but they're not really here to just carry the team forever or to carry the whole team.
Well, they have helped give this 5-point lead to Edu. Heck, Iliana dug up that time by Pablo. And Eliza Valdez had a block point earlier. Almost another one there. Manabat turned back there by De Leon. Manabat gives it up. Maraginot. Tan lifts it up. Eliza nakaabang naman doon. Si Jarrell Singh. The point will go to Ateneo as the block goes out. Naalala ko yung mga comments ng mga ibang taga-FEU. Natalo daw sila sa Ateneo dahil sa ingay ng crowd ng Ateneo.
But yeah, you know, the crowd, it can help also eh. Lalo na kung yung tipong madali kang ma-distract.
Right. Well, alam nyo na po kung sino nag-serve sa ingay ng applause. Oh, din. So 10-5 right now. National University all over Ateneo here in the first set. So ano yan? Half running, half stop. Anong klaseng spike ang tawag dun? That's a din spike. Ganun na lang.
Pero that was good adjustment
Aiko Ordas on the serve. De Jesus. Tan. Maraginot off the net. Played by Ordas. De Leon. Quick. Up. Pati si Dindin. Naloko doon ni Ruby. Nice block there by Dindin. Ella lifts it up. Maraginot. De Leon nakakuha ng block that time. They send it to the back for Valdez. Comes up short. There are a lot of hitting errors for Ateneo here in the first set.
And I think, you know, Ateneo for the most part is being a little bit too careful sometimes. Siguro na it also helps sa pinakikita kang dalawang mataas na kamay doon sa kabila
Because as the official ball of the Shakey's Billy. Good read there by Valdez. Sa serve ni Ordas na lalabas. So 11-6 NU. Back to serve now. Bea De Leon. Silang dalawa ni Ahomiro will have their hands full today.
Yes.
Not only trying to defend the Santiago sisters, but also sila lang kasi ang quicker kayo ng Ateneo in the absence of Maddie Madayag. Well, they still have May Tajima there, but she hardly sees action. Serve goes out.
So another free point para dito sa NU.
Here's the former two-time MVP, Dindin Santiago Manabat now to serve. And De Jesus, nahirapan. 13-6. Ella De Jesus, I'm sure everybody now has adjusted to the fact that the elevator is now a floor patroller. Dindin again. And Jaja, tumulong sa kapatid.
Again, height is might.
And a timeout for Ateneo, down by 8 here in set number 1.
Okay, coach.
Gems.
Happy and Heartstrong comes out again as we take a look at the good-sized crowd assembled for this match. At sundan po ang all-out kakulitan nila Liza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, Jan, Vic, and Peter, and the rest of the Volley friends sa ating pong Viber public chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app and search and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch your ultra fan kakulitan. Dindin is not having fun with that serve.
A second service error para dito sa side ng Lady Bulldogs.
And now back to serve, Kim Hekiliana. Hekiliana in as the utility spiker for today. And that's a good serve. De Leon, hulog. Nandun naman si Giselle Tan. Back set ngayon, Eliza Valdez, malakas. Ateneo struggling on offense dito sa first set natin, Ivy.
A lot of hitting errors para dito sa Ateneo. And yung mga errors na yun are actually making it easy para dito sa NU.
Right. Ateneo actually started out 2-0 sa laban na ito. Now they are behind by 8. Tan, inangat. General. Combination play, Pablo. De Jesus. For Maraguinot. Off the block. Singh. De Leon. Jaja. Kept alive there by Tan on the long rally. Valdez into the net again.
Eliza Valdez not having a very good start in this match.
Siyam na po ang kalamangan ng Lady Bulldogs, their biggest lead of the match. We'll be right back. International schedules on GMA News TV on gmanetwork.com/international/program guide. At binabati natin si Denden Manalo at si Casey Manalo at lahat ng fans ng Shakey's P-League sa Oriental Mindoro. Wish you were here. And thank you for joining us dito po sa ating paghahatid sa inyo ng live quarterfinals matchup dito po sa Shakey's V-League. Noel Zarate alongside Ivy Remulla and Tricia Robredo. 9-point lead for NU. General cannot get it across. So Ateneo gets a break.
It's interesting to note that we were talking about the hitting errors of Ateneo earlier. Ateneo has already have 8 errors so far. Oh, 8 errors. That's already yung difference actually ng kanilang score right now. So they were only able to make 1 point from attack, 1 point from block, 1 point from service ace, and the rest came from the errors already of NU.
And Ruby De Leon continues to be the magician para dito sa National University. Nakadali na naman ang photos. Again, up by 9 in this first set, NU. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, and De Leon serves it long. So 17-9. Rongo Maipapa, Amy Ahumiro, or Kiwi for short, the serve. Sharp serve, Pablo. Combination play, Aiko Urdas galing sa open, dug up there by Kim Hekiliana. Eliza Valdez gives it up. General, De Leon, Jaja!
Excellent play from Ruby and Jaja Santiago. Makita mo rin, paangat pa lang yung bola, pinalo na ni Jaja.
Kanina pababa, ngayon paangat. And that's an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. So the 6'6" Cavite native is now back to serve as her older sister is now back in front. Eliza overcooks the reception, but Pablo will miss.
And one of the arsenals na ginagamit din itong Lady Bulldogs right now is yung kanilang service.
Yes.
We can see Ateneo struggling a bit dun sa kanilang first ball kaya hindi sila maka-execute masyado ng maraming play.
Yung nga yung point ni Assistant Coach Farley Tupas during that last time out, kargado yung serve nila, adjust kayo.
And we can see NU, ang dami nilang mga combination attacks.
Right. That one is just out from Hekiliana. So NU at this point is content to just trade points with Ateneo.
And Ateneo, of course, kung gusto nilang lumapit dito sa score, they really need to control the errors that they are committing.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here is Myla Pablo on the serve. Tan leaving it for Valdez, and there is a net violation against Jorel Singh. So puntos yun para dito sa Ateneo. And you know who's back to serve.
No need for any introductions kahit hindi pa nakapan yung camera dun eh. Alam na nating lahat eh.
Will it yield positive results though? That's a good one from Eliza. On the run, Dindin! If it's not Jaja, it's Dindin.
That's right. And again, we can see the difference, Noel, yung sa offense ng NU at saka offense ng Ateneo. We have not really seen much maximization pa ng mga middle attackers itong Ateneo.
That's right. Ooh, Dindin. Putting that on the head of Giselle Tan. Hirap na hirap ang Ateneo sa kanilang first ball. And even Aiko Ordaz loads up on her serve now. Still recovering from that ACL injury. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tan. Maraginot off the block. Ruby. Jorel Singh. De Jesus. Tan. And that is sent across there by De Leon. Oh! Din puts it away again. Coach Roger was looking for a net violation.
There actually seemed to be a net violation error there from Via De Leon.
Yes. 22-11. Complete dominance shown by NU here in the first set. Timeout Ateneo. But you were seeing Eliza Valdez also there. Parang not the usual Eliza Valdez that we're used to seeing.
Again, so this is a very slow start here for the Lady Eagles.
Ordaz has NU 3 points away from claiming set number 1. And Ateneo is already used to these situations. Natalo sila sa first set. Ordaz with an ace. But they somehow find their way back and stay undefeated so far. Pero again, this NU squad, isa lang ang dinagdag. Ruby De Leon lang. Pero parang ang laking difference, di ba? Ordaz again, short this time. 23-12. Bea De Leon back to serve. Had a service error earlier. Come on, this early, pawis na si Bea. No? Really now has to work very hard against the very tall front line of NU. Here's Jorel Singh. Nice block by Amy Ahumiro.
Good block.
23-13. Defensive statement here from the former basketball player turned volleyball player. De Leon serving again. Pablo. De Leon. Din. Nice block again by Ahumiro. Sends it up. Singh out of position. Tinawid. De Leon. Tan on the quick. Amy did not get it across. So
Again,
another error.
na naman para dito sa Ateneo.
Well, now that gives a total of 11 set points for the National University. And the former MVP serving for the set. Still too long that time from Dindin. Kim Hekiliana back to serve now for Ateneo. Still facing 10 set points. And Eliza's in the back. De Leon, Jaja, change of direction. De Jesus, binigay pa rin kay Eliza sa likod. Eliza Valdez cuts it down to single digits, but that is still 9 set points. At tignan ulit natin yung atake ni Eliza from the back.
It was a touch from the hands of Jaja.
24-15. Ateneo now scored 3 straight. Singh. That is in. Jorel Singh gives the first set to the National University. 25-15. What a show of force for the Lady Bulldogs against the undefeated Lady Eagles. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play, Jorel Singh just caught the corner. Sabi ni Ella De Jesus, pasok na. We will have the second set when we return. Stay with us right here on GMA News TV. Tama po yung nakikita nyo score. NU winning the first set by 10 points against Ateneo. And here's why.
Yes, well, Ateneo committed a lot of errors there here in the first set. And yun yung actually nagbigay ng opportunity para sa NU na maka-attack or umabante. And also, NU was able to, able to provide more opportunities for themselves as well in terms of their attacks. Kaya makikita rin natin na they had 11 attacks as compared to only 4 nitong Ateneo.
Well, for Ateneo, they had a hard time receiving and digging. Even Aiko Ordas, who is still recovering from her ACL injury, getting a service ace that time. And of course, Jorel Singh putting it away sa first set para dito sa kupunan ng National University now. Ateneo off to a slow start. We have seen this before. They have survived multiple 5-set games already. Pero what's the difference now with Ruby De Leon and for NU?
And I think yung nagiging contribution nitong si Ruby De Leon being part of the NU, yun nga, yung kanyang strategy, the experience So malaking bagay din yung experience na yun na madadala niya dito sa loob ng court.
Combination play, Myla Pablo. I was about to say has been quiet today, finally scoring. Unang puntos for NU. Now back to serve Ruby, yeah.
Probably one of the differences also that kung mapapansin natin, no, dito sa NU, mas na-utilize yung lahat ng attackers. So most of them already have a chance para mabigyan ng set. On the other hand, dito sa Ateneo, it's quite limited to sa kanilang mga outside hitters.
Well, because the first ball needs to be very good for Ateneo. So that service error by De Leon ties it up at 1. De Leon, Urdas, off the block. Valdez looking for an angle. De Leon. Galing sa likod naman, Jorel Singh. Unmarked. Si Jorel Singh slowly developing her all-around offensive game. That's a great shot right there.
And we can really see, no, ang bigat talaga ng palo niya. Ang bigat ng ang lakas ng kanyang braso
The daughter of a former basketball player. Ito si Jorel Singh. Oh, there, De Leon. That's probably the first time we've seen them go to the quick.
And that's what Ateneo needs at this point. They need a lot of variation. And the quick attack is also one of their actually advantages. Isa mga weapons din nila
Now they must use their serve as well. That's a good one coming from Giselle Tan. De Leon. Ordas. Oy! Nagapang paloob. That actually was blocked by the net, but it found its way back through.
So lucky break para dito kay Aiko Ordas.
The supernatural using her powers that time. So 3-2 NU. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Served by Myla Pablo, Joanna Maragino, Giselle Tan, Liza Valdez.
Mukhang nagising na tong Ateneo.
Better fight being shown here by the Lady Eagles. In the first technical timeout, they were done 8-3 nung ating first set. That's an ultra-fast fight brought to us by PLDT Home Montera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. At yan na po, si Eliza Valdez to serve. And Eliza Valdez with an ace. So the MVP gets it done. Kaya binabati rin natin sa lahat ng mga sasali naman sa opening na UAAP today. The season is on as another service brought up here by Eliza Valdez. Pabigatan ng serve. Sabi ni Eliza, game, laban daw siya. Another one. Pablo. Singh. Dindin. Through the net. Saved by De Leon. They go to Eliza at the back. Change of direction. Valdez has scored 3 straight for Ateneo.
Good comeback here para sa Ateneo. They started out very slow in set number 1, but itong simula ng kanilang set number 2 is maganda.
Eliza continues to serve. Very focused right now. Overcooked reception. Back set. Hekiliana pushes it across. And a net violation on Jorel Singh, but she denies it. Sabi ni Jorel, wala naman Baka kasi ponytail. Diba?
Wala din niya na-feel.
Oo. Valdez. Ordaz punches it across. De Jesus. Maraguinot finally nakakuha. Too near Dindin.
And you can't do that if you have Dindin or Jaja at the front line.
And that will always be the case for NU. There will always be either a Dindin or a Jaja in front. So NU stops the bleeding. That was 5 straight para sa Ateneo. Tan plays it off the net, nobody in position. And Eliza gets kicked in the face by Kim Hekiliana. So 7-5 ang ating score. Okay naman daw, wala man dugo.
Okay, malayo naman.
No blood, no foul.
Yes.
Nice serve by Ordaz. Given up by Hekiliana. De Leon, back set, running shot coming from Dindin. Good response now from NU.
And good recovery also, para dito sa NU, what's key is that huwag nilang hahayaang lumayo sa score itong Ateneo. Of course, same goes here for the Lady Eagles.
Kailangan naman manambak ang Lady Eagles dito.
They have to make sure that lagi silang lamang.
Maraguinot played there by General. De Leon lifts it up now for Pablo. De Jesus gets to it. Tan, back set, Valdez. General. De Leon, combination, Sing into the net.
That was a good play for NU.
Jorel Singh wants that back, but she can't have it back as Ateneo now leads by 2 sa ating first technical time out of set number 2. Magbabalik po kami. International schedules po dito sa GMA News TV available through www.gmanetwork.com/international/program guide as we send it now to Trisha Robredo.
Noel and Ivy coming into this game, hindi kalakihan at hindi karamihan ang naging expectations ni Coach Roger Gorayeb sa kanyang Lady Bulldogs. Alam niyo naman daw kasi na Ateneo comes with the momentum, with the confidence at nakikita naman natin ngayon with the crowd. Kaya ang hinihingi niya lang muna ay ma-break yung barrier at ma-challenge ang champion team. Pero nakita naman natin sa first set na na-challenge ang Ateneo sa height advantage at diskarte sa sets ng National U. Kaya kanina naman sa huddle, binigyan ng specific pointers ang setter na si Giselle Tan para mas ma-utilize pa daw ang variety sa atake. Coach Tai also pointed out that they have to commit more to blocking at dapat daw mas may timing sa talon. Sa kupunan naman ng Lady Bulldogs, bawal maging complacent at bawal mataranta. Sabi nga ni Coach Roger, focus at we should always be on our toes. Back to you guys.
Well, they are on their toes right now trying to keep it close except for this time and the last point. A lot of errors on the floor now para sa NU.
That's right, 5 errors being committed already by the Lady Bulldogs.
Coach Roger not happy with something. Bea De Leon. Ateneo now with a 4-point lead. De Leon sends it over to Jorel Singh over the defense. Nandun naman si Giselle Tan. Maraguinot. Habol si Ordaz. Pablo gives it up. Valdez, Tan, Ahomiro.
And that's what we need to see more from Ateneo, yung kanilang mga quick attacks.
Roger Gorayeb sees Ateneo take a 5-point lead. Timeout NU.
Wala ka sa laro, iba ang iniisip mo. Diba? Kung mabibigyan ng bola galing dito, ibang player yan. Ikaw naman, kung back player ka, dito para mabigyan ka ng pare, hindi ka kasi alam mo, akin na Jet, alam mo, chance ball na eh. Nandito ka, di ba? Alam mo, hinabol dito. Pagkakahabol dito, umakas ka dito, mga papalo.
Westuhan and the job of Via General ang pinag-uusapan dito after that great set. Papunta rito kay Amy Ahomiro and the Ateneo fans loving it as the Eagles have now picked up a 5-point lead. At sundan po ang all-out kakulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John Vic, Peter, and the rest of the Volley Friends ating Viber public chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app. Search and follow Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kakulitan led by Rachel Andakis for sure. Yun yung pinakamakulit
sa lahat.
Binanggit natin mga pangalan. 11-7 Ateneo. Ahomiro lifts it up and Valdez sends it across. De Leon, Jaja miss-hit. Kept alive by Ateneo and Ruby. Oh, great defense by Ateneo.
Coach Rogers calling for touches already para dito sa Lady Eagles.
Sing. De Jesus. Ahomiro. Maraguinot into the net. And if he was right, then that should be poetic justice.
That's right. Coach Roger very,
Very adamant on that 4
Yeah.
touches against Ateneo. Of course, Roger Gurayev coached Ateneo for part of his coaching career before moving to NU. So 11-8. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, Coach Roger is one of the people responsible for bringing in Coach Tai.
Yes,
The
here
programa.
into the program. That's right.
Too strong by Dindin Manabat. And now Kim Hekiliana, PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Into the net for Hekiliana. Ateneo still up, but only by 3. And now Jorel Singh, the sophomore, captain already.
Good serve.
De Jesus played it, might have been going out. Maraguinot. De Leon. Pablo, quiet today. Tan lifts it up. Maraguinot, yes!
Excellent hit from Maraguinot.
Ateneo protecting the lead. It is back up to 4. And the high leaping Joanna Maraguinot with his ultra-fast spike brought us at PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for happy family. I just saw a picture the other day na may spike si Maraguinot. Lampas na yung balikat sa net.
So that's how high she can jump.
That's right. But Maraguinot serves it long.
Good call from General.
13-10 ang ating score. Ateneo hanging on to a 3-point lead. And now Ruby De Leon. Siya nagsimula ng breakaway ng NU sa ating first set with her serves. They go to Eliza on the combination. Good read by Jaja. Back set. Eliza once again. Good read by Myla Pablo.
Excellent blocking here shown by the Lady Bulldogs.
13-11. Eto na po ang NU. Dumidikit na naman sa Ateneo. Ateneo is up by 5 earlier. Tan. Over to Valdez. And Eliza finds zone 1 open. That's experience for you from the former MVP. Here's Ahomiro. Uh-oh, it stays in the back. And Myla Pablo gets hit in the head by Jorel Singh. General cannot save it. Another point for Ateneo.
A little communication problem going on here with the Lady Bulldogs. We've seen it earlier din, yung isang yung bola, nag-overball, walang kumuha.
And Ruby must get everybody involved in terms of communication. Ruby. Ike Ordas, turned back there by Bea De Leon. Bea De Leon!
That's overreaching
That's overreaching.
violation.
And Coach Tai does not like the call. Coach Tai is up in arms. Para daw naging overreaching yun. May violation na daw before that. Yun ang sinasabi niya. 15-12. Jaja Santiago nasa likuran na. Hardly a factor earlier sa kanyang stint in front. Nice serve though. De Leon turned back by Dindin.
Good timing from Manabat.
And Giselle Tan holding on to her face. Looks like she collided with somebody. Nagbanggaan sila ni Ella. So 15-13. Giselle Tan, perhaps the smallest setter in the league. But her team is undefeated, at least until today. Tignan natin what NU can do. Leading 1-0. Eliza, habol si Tan.
Good save from Giselle Tan.
De Leon. Pablo na lusutan ang depensa. Isa na lang ang abante ng Ateneo.
And again, Ateneo would need to do something about that first ball. Kasi pag nawawalan sila ng first ball, yun nakakahabol ang NU eh.
Right now, Jaja Santiago trying to tie it up with her very powerful serve. Ayan na naman, biglang lumiliko at the net. Ano? She's really perfected that.
Good
De Leon.
floater.
Dindin and Ruby not on the same page that time. Eliza Valdez!
Good angle chosen by Eliza.
Ateneo still on top but only by 2 sa ating second technical timeout of set number 2. We'll be right back. Tatapon natin ang ating airing schedules dito po sa GMA News TV Saturday and Sunday live at 12:45 p.m. and Monday and Thursday at 1 p.m. And of course, everybody knows this shaky space of the day. Very familiar. Of course, pinag-uusapan yan for the past ilang weeks. Risa Sato, of course, getting a box of pizza. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya kakampi. Sa Ateneo ba siya kakampi o sa NU?
O sa NU. Torn. So, pero para siguro mas maganda, share na lang niya sa atin yung pizza
Yes.
para...
Dahil growing girl yan eh. Athlete yan eh. Kaya niya umupak yan eh.
Combination play!
Speaking of upak, Eliza Valdez, who had a very, very slow start in the first set, is now 100% here in set number 2. Kaboom!
And this is what we're looking for para dito sa side ng Lady Eagles. Yung ganung klaseng combination attack, makikita natin na nabibreak yung blocking nitong NU.
Myla Pablo missing. Ateneo now starting to pull away, up by 4. Now Giselle Tan, actually I just caught a glimpse of her older sister, Bea Tan, is already here on the side of the Ateneo bench. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dindin Santiago Manabat easily putting that one away. Mami, let's take a shot of the Ateneo alums that are here in attendance right now. I think Charo Soriano is also back there, so...
And who's already eating our pizza.
Yun na
Noel.
nga eh. Loko to si Charo ah. Bea De Leon. Block goes out from Dindin. So 19-15. Alam nyo na.
No further introductions need to be made.
And she has really exploded here in the second set. The league's leading scorer. De Leon. Sing. Dug up there by the elevator. Maraguinot off the net. And looking for a check ball. Sabi ni Maraguinot, walang nakahawak.
It was clear.
19-16. Supernatural on the serve. De Leon reaching up for that one. This other De Leon keeps it alive. Maraguinot blocked by Ruby. How about that?
Good block from Ruby De Leon.
So Ruby using her veteran smart. She is not a liability pagdating sa blocking. Ang ganda ng timing yan. If it's One Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ordas.
Good serve.
Maraguinot. Wow. Off the hands of Ruby that time.
And Ateneo has been going a lot down the line sa kanila mga atake.
Ito si Ruby.
Yeah, they've scored a lot also from that area.
Bea De Leon. Up the serve. Ruby De Leon. Sending it to Jorel Singh. Bea De Leon gets to that one. Maraguinot. Oh, Homiro had the right idea but missed. The lead is down to 2. Dindin Santiago Manabat on the serve. A great one. Habol si Tan. Valdez gets it across. Ahomiro cannot put it away. De Leon, Sing, malakas. 21-18 Ateneo.
And now the string of errors are being committed by the Lady Bulldogs.
And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Kim Hekiliana. Ruby going to Jaja. Barely connecting that time. Ang baba na set.
Mababa ng set, no? Buti nagawan pa ng paraan.
And I think the confidence level of the Santiago sisters have gone up big time sa pagbalik dito ni Ruby. Not to take anything away from the freshman,
Yeah.
Rita Jolan. who was also set very well. De Jesus, good read. That was gonna stay in. Maraguinot nakabuelo, and it falls in.
With a little help from the net. And again, yun pa rin yung perennial na down the line area dito sa depensa ng NU na napababayaan. It's been kept open.
There you see that. Charo's eating the pizza. Madi Madayag is there. Bayatan also. Charo had better save some pizza for us.
Oo nga, nasa na ba? Where's the rest of the box?
Ba't ang itim din ni Charo ngayon? Ang dami siguro nilang aktibidades sa beach ngayon. Oh, just missed.
Ruby was saying that it went in.
And a timeout for Roger Goraya, but Ateneo 2 points away from tying us up.
Kaya pa yung dito, inaabangan mo na bibigyan ko yung bola. Pag hindi nilap yung bola, hindi na gumagalaw. Pwede ba yun? Humihilap ka pa nga sa bola eh. Tapos chance ball, minis-receive mo pa, chance ball na eh. Kahit nahipan mo na yung bola, makukuha natin. Tapos mag-chance ball, mamimiss pa natin. Kaya isip na yung bola, oh. Ubus, dalawa na lang yan eh. Error na naman yan eh. Tinatamad kasi tayo kumilos sa loob eh. Inas-bilisan yung konti.
Kapit lang. Oy, Enyo, hold on.
23-19. Tinatamad ba sila kumilos sa loob?
I think what Coach Roger was trying to say is kaya lang, we have to be more aggressive inside the court. Siguro, ang hinahanap niya yung konting bilis sa galaw.
Well, 2 puntos na lang po ang kailangan ng Lady Eagles para maitabla tayo at 1 set apiece. Joanna Maraguinot has also played well here in the second set. It's a good serve. Ruby. Myla Pablo denied by Amy Ahomiro.
And again, the struggle here for the Lady Bulldogs sa kanilang first ball. And it does a lot, you know, in terms of how you're able to attack pag hindi maganda yung first ball mo.
Maraguinot serving for the set. Good serve. Ruby, too near for Pablo, who cannot kill it. And Coach Roger is right. 2 errors cost them the final 2 points of this second set. 25-19. Ateneo has tied it up at 1 set apiece. Trying to stay undefeated dito sa ating quarterfinal. Shaky shake and play right there after the serve. Not a good reception, not a good set. And a problem for NU. Tied at 1 set apiece. We'll be back for set number 3. Nagkaroon ng problema sa errors as Ateneo has turned the tide, leading in attacks, and they won the second set.
That's right, and Ateneo was able to recover, and we can see that they had better first ball. Although it's not still what we can say na talaga masasabi natin consistently a good first ball, but yung naging problem nila during the first set, somehow they were able to go over it at unti-unti nilang naibabalik yung magandang first ball. And yun na nga naging resulta, 12 attacks para dito sa Ateneo, and ang NU naman ang nagkaroon ng struggle sa errors. That's right, and they created a lot of missed opportunities para sa kanila in terms of kanilang pag-atake.
Well, of course, para sa Ateneo, they've tied it up. They want to stay undefeated dito. Nakagising na sila, so it's gonna be anybody's ball game here. Ruby De Leon is still doing very well para dito sa NU, but let's see what the Lady Eagles have here in the third set. They will be serving first with Joanna Maraguinot. Jaja. Medyo na nahimik si Jaja no second set, ha?
Good block.
No, that was blocked by the net, though. Liberato Benito, of course, our first referee. Our second referee is Rodrigo Rojas. We can't call this an all-important matchup, eh. Kasi pasok na silang dalawa. 1 and 2 still up for grabs. Valdez. Wow.
That makes it to the line.
The velocity of her hits. All these years, napapanood natin yan, Ivy. It still remains the same, if not stronger pa.
Yes, I have to agree.
And now, 1-all, Ahomiro. De Leon, tulak dyan, galing kay Jaja. Eliza, General, De Leon, Pablo. And Eliza cannot keep it alive, and Eliza sends a souvenir to the fans. Ay, kailangan natin yan. Official handball yan.
Huwag itago.
Sabihin nila, hinawakan naman ni Eliza to.
Hawakan muna.
So, parang nahawakan mo na rin si Eliza sandali. PLDT Home Moldera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. 19-year-old Jaja Santiago. Aliza. Jorel Singh played off the net by De Leon, kept alive there by Urdas. Valdez, kept alive again by Urdas. Habol si Jaja. Chance again for Ateneo. Quick set, Ruby De Leon, denied there by Pablo. That's Bea De Leon rather, and Bea De Leon will drop it in. Mahirap ano, may dalawang De
Oo,
Leon.
dalawang dali na. Nilito ka eh.
Sige, Bea na lang at saka Ruby.
By first name na tayo, by first name.
Forever na. Pati ito si Giselle Tan. Minsan natawag ko siya Giselle C. Diba?
Sa kanya naman by last name.
Mahirap
Oo.
din kasi nandito yung kapatid. Di
Oo.
Bea Tan o Bea De Leon at saka si Giselle. Ano ba yan, di ba? Op! Myla, walang kapangalan dito. Pero yung kanyang palo, diretso naman sa loob ng net. Myla Pablo still looking for the consistency. Here's Tan on the serve. Pablo, hirap sa reception. Pablo attacks. Yes! Kakasabi lang natin, ano? So, Myla Pablo gets this ultra-fast fight brought to us by PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
And makikita rin natin, no, instead of just going straight down the line, talagang nilihis ni Myla, going
Right.
longer cross court.
Myla on the serve. Eliza. Tan. Hekiliana off the block. Too near. Wow, Ruby.
That goes over.
Missed big time. And even if she was setting to Gamova, mahirapan si Gamova dun.
Oh.
Okay, here she is. Ateneo up by 1. And we are tied after the service error against Eliza Valdez. Aiko Urdas to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's Stan, back set, Hekiliana. Nahawakan daw ni Myla Pablo.
There's a touch from Myla Pablo.
So Ateneo reclaims the lead.
But that was clearly going outside.
Bea De Leon to serve. Ruby. Pablo gives it up. Tano, what a play!
No blockers para dito sa Lady Bulldogs.
It looked like Giselle Tan was in trouble, but sends it over to Ahomiro, and this in basketball is a tip-in.
Hindi naman makikita natin yung advantage of the communication. Yes, tama ka doon. Parang it seemed as if hindi na magagawa ng paraan ni Giselle Tan, pero natuloy pa rin yung kanilang quick attack.
Problem on the reception there for Urdas. Chance now for Ateneo. Tan sending it over to Hekiliana. General is there. Backside on the running attack for Dindin Santiago Manabat.
That goes off the hands of Amy Ahumiro.
Ganda ng bakbakan dito sa ating third set, ha? And you still down, however, by 1. And now Dindin Santiago Manabat, one of the Volley friends, up to serve. Whoa.
That goes out.
Uncharacteristic serve na ganong kalakas. Para dito kay Dindin. Team Hekiliana now. Oh, returns the favor.
So a lot of free points being thrown here dito sa third set.
Here and there, at least
Yeah.
dikit pa rin tayo. Jarel Singh. Tan, maraginot, malakas, and we are tied at 7. So Jarel Singh trying to give the lead back to the National University. How times have changed, ano? Naalala mo about, sabihin natin about less than 10 years ago, when you say Ateneo versus NU sa volleyball,
Oo.
parang it's a battle of the two weakest teams.
That's right, but now it's among the strongest teams eh.
And NU does reclaim the lead. We'll be right back. Stay with us. updates available on GMA International on the following Facebook accounts. And kamusta naman, Trisha Robredo?
Alam niyo guys, mas nauna pa ako makarating ng San Juan Arena kaysa sa Lady Eagle na si Joe Maraguinot. Nung kung na-late siya dahil kakagaling lang niya sa klase, sabi naman sa akin ni Coach Roger na na-late daw ang Lady Bulldog sa pagbawi kanina sa second set. Now aside from reception, ang nakitang butas ni Coach Roger ay hirap na hirap daw silang bumalik sa laro pagkatapos umerror. Sabi niya nga, konting pagkakamali lang, nasisira agad kayo. Dapat maging mature at matatag tayo at rumecover agad. Coach Roger also said na dapat makakuha daw ng experience sa bawat pagkakamali. So if you do make a mistake, learn from it at imbes na mag-sorry pa, labanan ninyo. Noel and Ivy?
That's actually the correct attitude as we have our first look now at Kayla Chanko Williams, who's seeing her first action now for Ateneo. And General saves that. Looking for a net violation. Coach Roger Gorayev, Maraguinot, De Jesus, Tan, Ahomiro. Sabi ni
Coach Roger,
oh.
yeah, he was really feel so strongly about that dapat may net violation error called.
Let's take a look at the attack here coming from Amy Ahomiro. Again, minsan nakakalimutan pa rin ng tao na kaliwete.
Oo.
Etong si Amy. And use lead down to 1. Maraguinot. So with the entry of Kayla Chanko Williams, anong position niya? Pablo. Tan goes to Valdez. And Valdez goes to town.
Open spot there. Spotted by Eliza Valdez.
Naitabla na at 9 all. So anong pwesto ni Kayla dito?
Utility.
Sino naupo? Si Hekiliana. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V League. So guest player, Kayla Chanko Williams. In for the first time. Maraguinot on the serve. Jaja dug up there by Ella. Eliza!
That goes out.
That's a good idea though.
Mahirap yun na yung angulo na yun.
Yeah, si Eliza naman yan.
So, walang mahirap para sa kanya.
Mahirap sa kanya. She just missed that time. And you now up by 1. Ruby. Amy Ahomiro is now connecting consistently with Giselle Tan.
And again, the wonders that you can do if you have a very good first ball.
Great execution. And General a little in too deep that time. Tied at 10. Ahomiro on the serve. Jaja is now being defended well by Ateneo. Ruby sends it back. Giselle combination. Eliza Valdez again. Lamang na po ang Ateneo. Serving 10. Kiwi. Singh, nag-alangan if it was in or out, still played it. Aiko Ordaz, that's definitely out.
A lot of errors now para naman dito sa NU.
Now 12-10 Ateneo. Ahomiro, lumalayo sa kanyang serve.
Good serve.
General, De Leon, Jaja misses.
Oh, that goes straight into the net. Blocked by the net, rather.
So Ateneo comes back from 2 points down. Now have a 3-point lead. Timeout NU.
Sige ka lang ng sige. Tingnan mo yung timing niya ng dalawa. Nagmamadali ka sa pagtalon, tapos nagmamadali ka sa pagpalo, hindi pa ka umaangat. Ruby, pag nauna na siyang tumalon, mag-jump set ka na. Hindi tayo magpapanog na eh. Sayang yung atake natin, pupunta lang dahil sa mga ganyan-ganyan lang. Tapos binalikan ka ng bola, bakit mo kukunin na yung cover yung bola, tataas mo.
Well, folks, sundan po ang all-out kakulitan nila Valdez, Reyes, Dakis. Yung Dakis talaga yung kailangan yung ingat-ingat lang daw. Galang, Jaja and Dindin Santiago, John Vic de Guzman, Peter Torres, and the rest of the Volley Friends. Sa ating Viber Public Chat, just go to the Public Chats tab sa inyong Viber app and search and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra-fun kakulitan. Service error against Ateneo.
That's already the third service error para dito sa Lady Eagles.
Jaja Santiago. Para magbo-bowling lang
Her service error.
Yup, alam mo, ang ganda ng serve ni Jaja kanina pa. So, since the second set, medyo nanahimik. And now she's struggling here in the third set. Ateneo up by 3. Oh, Tan. Another service error for Ateneo.
4 service errors na para dito sa Ateneo.
Coach Tai has not done his jogging back and forth yet, ano?
Oo, di pa natin nakikita yun eh.
Myla Pablo. De Jesus. Tan. Oh, did not connect with Eliza that time. And a lifting violation is called. So 14-13 po ang ating score. Ateneo's lead down to 1. Myla Pablo. Tan. Valdez. That's too strong.
outside.
Parang hinipan yung bola that time from Eliza. Now tied at 14.
Nakikita natin kung saan yung tina-target ni Eliza. No? So now, down the line once again. And kung hindi nag-outside yun, it's going to be a point for Ateneo.
And that would have told Roger Gorayev to just fix the defense already. They still need to fix it though. Oh my goodness.
Gandang bawi nitong si Eliza.
Binantayan ng lane down the line. Nag-cross court naman.
Again, yun yung maganda dyan eh, because she can vary and she can read the defense.
While staying in the air and taking a selfie muna.
Pwede pa magkape, bawas sa pandyaryo.
Selfie muna siya. Tapos magko-comment pang pagkahaba-haba bago i-post. Saka pala siya papalo.
Saka pala papaluin.
Tan, that's a mismatch. So Dindin Santiago Manabat, 6'2". Giselle Tan, about 5'4". Big mismatch. 5'4". I'm being generous actually, I think. 15 all. Gordas. Valdez. Tan. Kayla Chanko Williams. Running attack. Dindin into the net.
And we can already see it actually. Mababa yung set ng bola eh.
Hitting error against NU gives Ateneo a 1-point lead. We'll be right back. The fun family of the day. Cute naman.
Ayun,
Ito
cute.
naman, diba? That's a big family there.
That's right.
Rafael, Sasha, yung mother and father, kasama si Sam, si Simon, at si Sean. Boy,
Cute naman ang kanilang family.
Yeah.
Nakagigit naman ano.
all boys, ha?
Oo.
Pero nanonood ng volleyball. That's a good thing. 16-15. Bea De Leon on the serve. Jorel Singh denied there by Maraguinot. Back set ngayon. Dindin goes through the defense. Eliza. Maraguinot cross court.
Good recovery for the Lady Eagles.
Joanna Maraguinot. Her star is slowly rising. If not, it's there already, di ba?
Ano lang eh, na kailangan lang sindihan ng ilaw.
Oo.
Nakamatay lang eh.
Malapit na magpasko.
Oo.
Oh, so kailangan ng lagyan ng ilaw ang kanyang star. Service error against Ateneo. Panglima na yan, ano?
That's the 5th service error already for Ateneo.
At 17-16, Ateneo still up. Micasa's the official ball of the Sheikh East V-League. Dindin Santiago Manabat. Game face on. Williams. Tan. Valdez. Saan galing yun?
Strong hit from Eliza Valdez. And that's from the back row, ah.
Oh, back row attack from hell. Ang tawag doon. Take a look at this again. That is, of course, an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Hindi lumiliko yung bola ni Eliza. Diretso. Matalim eh. Maraguinot cannot cash in. Combination play for Singh. Nice read by Giselle Tan. Pablo, yes!
Good cross court from Myla Pablo.
Nag-iingay na. Eto si Myla Pablo. 18-17. Ateneo still on top by 1. Jorel Singh has really earned her stripes para dito sa NU. Williams. Here is Eliza Valdez. Single block there coming from Jaja. Ahomiro.
And again,
General too deep again.
Yun na naman yung down the line dito para sa NU. Butas na butas. And I think Ateneo has really identified that already.
And you can see that Pia General is really covering too tight in front.
Actually, okay lang yung Noel. Kaya lang kailangan mag-a-adjust din yung defense sa likod.
Right. Service ace for Maraguinot. There is the jogging and the boxing.
Yun yung hinahanap po kanina pa.
May jogging na, may boxing pa.
And Ateneo talaga kinakargahan ng kanilang services. Nakikita nila ngayon the struggle that NU is having.
If it's
Sa
Fun
kanilang
Family,
service reception.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. A great sharp serve again there from Maraguinot. Myla Pablo again! Gising na. Ready na. Rock and roll to the world from Myla Pablo.
Look at the wind-up.
Down by 2 though ang NU. Ruby, karate chop serve that time. Oh, goodness gracious. Eliza Valdez.
And dahil malaking panghihinayang ni Jurelsi, she already had a hand at that. Kaya lang hindi niya makontrol.
Pero good luck talaga. 21-18. Up to serve, Ahomiro. Ruby. Pablo. Williams sending it over to Eliza. That time naabangan ni Aiko Ordaz.
Good luck.
And Aiko, as usual, emotionless. After doing a very, very good.
Nakapoint o hindi, ganun pa rin reaction.
Para
na nararamdaman.
21-19.
Gano'n ka-exciting yung game,
Exactly.
ganun pa rin.
Reminds you of Sasa de Banadera when she was still playing for San Sebastian. Kahit na anong mangyari, ganun pa rin itsura. Same thing with Pao Soriano when she was still playing for Adamson.
Sobrang excited na ng laro pero stoic pa rin yung itsura
Right. Oh, free ball given up by Eliza. Ruby. Myla Pablo again.
Myla Pablo. And she's doing all the work here for NU at this point.
Sunod-sunod na ang puntos para dito kay Myla Pablo. Despite the fact that they are still up by 1, Coach Tai will use this timeout.
Very good, very good.
Well, as Eliza tries to decipher the messages of Coach Tai, tignan po natin ang pagpapasabog na ginagawa rito ni Myla Pablo. Michaela Chaco Williams knew where it was going.
But it was just too strong.
Uminit na po si Myla Pablo. The thing is, NU is still down but only by 1. Jaja. Into the net. NU down by 2. What can you do?
Yun yung mga parang yun for a coach, these are the kinds of errors. Kung kahit hindi mo nalakasan, siguraduhin mo na lang na tumawid.
Wow, service ace from Giselle Tan.
Nakita, kinabahan si Giselle Tan.
Coach Roger needs to stop this right now with this timeout.
Gamitin nyo. Huwag niyo bibigay yung set. Malayo pa lang, ha? Sige.
So, ayan po, 2 puntos lang. Kailangan titignan ko lang sa Twitter. Si Mina Agano humingi rin ng pizza kay Charo. So, marami na.
Marami. Feeling ko hindi na. Sa sobrang daming humihingi, wala na.
Kinain na ni Charo.
Wala na matitira.
23-20. 3-point lead for Ateneo. 2 points away to take a 2 sets to 1 lead. Now just 1 point away. The serving for Ateneo, despite the 5 errors, have been all negated by the diminutive Giselle Tan. 2 service aces back-to-back.
And the timeout is supposed to help pa-break ng momentum, pero
Right.
hindi eh.
Well, delayed lang kay Giselle
Delayed.
Tan.
But at least nakakuha mo na siya ng puntas out of it, diba?
Still 3 set points for Ateneo. And now Myla Pablo, who has played well here in set number 3. Tan, Valdez, that's it! Ateneo has taken the last 2 sets. They now take a 2-1 lead against the National University, and both coaches, as they pass in front of us, nag-high five. What a match so far. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play, who else but the MVP delivering for Ateneo to close out set number 3. We'll have the 4th set when we return. Stay with us. So medyo tikita naman na nangyaring storya dito sa ating 3rd set. Ateneo surviving 12 errors, but look at the 3 service aces naman nakuha nilang pambawi doon.
That's right. And I think these service aces also came in at a crucial time. Kasi yun yung talagang nakapagpaabante dito sa Ateneo. And also, they were able to have more attacks, which I guess better din kasi yung kanilang naging defense at reception dito sa set number 3.
And Eliza Valdez with a personal duel now against Myla Pablo. Pero si Eliza Valdez pa rin po tumapos nitong ating 3rd set because of that power shot right there. Muntik na niya mabura sa mundo si Ruby De Leon.
That's right. A very, very strong hitter talaga to si Eliza Valdez. But I guess you also have to say that all of the Ateneo players right now, talagang they're really practicing yung variation eh. Makita mo yung sa kanilang atake, they have the cross-court hit, and na-identify din nila yung down the line na butas sa depensa nitong NU.
So NU now has to go back, Ivy, to what worked for them no set number 1. Paano ba nila nakuha yung set number 1? Ateneo's reception has improved tremendously.
Oh, yes. And doon mahihirapan ngayon ng NU because if Ateneo is able to receive better already, then it means na mas magiging marami ang option ngayon nila sa pag-atake.
Ateneo's covering better also. Ruby tried to send that to Myla Pablo on the combination, but Myla Pablo thought it was for Jaja.
Miscommunication para dito sa Lady Bulldogs.
1-all. Rongo, my papa, Amy Ahomiro from New Zealand. Na tinalo po ng Gilas kahapon. That's a different story. Oh, Eliza Valdez. I believe that is her 3rd block point of the day. Nakita ulit natin dito, ha?
Eliza was happy with that point, pero sabi niya, ouch daw.
Oh, naman.
Ang sakit.
That's the sacrifice you have to make to try and block a powerful hitter like Jorel Singh. And Aiko Ordaz, who scores. Is it just me or is Aiko Ordaz playing better than she was when she was injured?
Well, I think, yung tapang siguro nandyan na rin eh. Diba? And like, we know that she's been out for a while, so siguro excitement din niya sa pagbabalik.
Yes.
Nandyan din niya, the eagerness.
And again, going back, I think I was telling this to Noreen the other day, na the ACL injury, when you get a reconstruction like that, as Valdez scores again, tumitibay lalo yung tuhod mo eh. But sometimes it's all in the head.
It's all in the head. Kasi yung iba kasi talaga mas lalo naging careful eh.
Right. Eliza Valdez with his ultra-fast spike brought to us at PLDT Home Altera. The ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. 3-2 Ateneo. And for me, the point that I will make about that, yung it's all in the head, naka-recover ka agad as a service error there against Giselle Tan, is sa ating spiker's turf sa LaSalle, si Raymark Wu.
Yeah.
Raymark Wu was sidelined with an ACL. He is incredible now sa kanyang paglalaro. Parang hindi napilay. So tied at 3. Oh, Bea De Leon still kept alive though. Here's De Jesus. Tan, Hekiliana missing. Looking for a check ball si Coach Tai. None was called. Better defense now for NU on the floor. Myla Pablo. Oh, Eliza. Just tries to drop it in. Din. Aiko Ordaz out of position. Yung mobility ni Aiko hindi pa 100%.
Hindi pa ganun
ano?
eh. Medyo makikita mo na parang medyo ingat pa din siya and she's a bit slow to move insert yung mga lateral.
Right. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Valdez on the serve. De Leon for Dindin. Sila lang ang nakakaintindihan doon. Miss hit pa nga yun para dito kay Dindin, but nevertheless, a point for NU. The Supernatural serving. Sharp one. Tan. Maraginot off the hands of Dindin. Simple lang talaga ang laro nito, no? Besides Eliza Valdez, who does Joanna Maraginot remind you of?
Grabe yung ano niya, no? Yung kanyang, yung leap niya eh.
Oh, I will venture to say a name. Michelle Carolino. Diba yung kasagsagan ni Michelle Carolino? You covered her before.
Yeah. Yung ano din, taas din tumalon.
Yes.
Talagang tumutupi yung katawan.
Actually,
at
I did see
inverted C.
Michelle Carolino is here. Actually. So, nanonood din siya rito. So, yan ang naalala ko rito. Although, Maraginot is a lot taller.
Yeah.
6'5" Ateneo. Bea De Leon. Myla Pablo, Ruby De Leon on the run. Dindin, kept alive there by Giselle Tan. Eliza Valdez sending it now to Maraginot. And Myla Pablo tried to keep it alive, but it's a powerful shot from Maraginot. And she's excited.
It's always good, to celebrate the point that you make.
Naalala ko isang game, kinurunuhan. Binigyan siya ng corona. Invisible crown kasi nakakailan sunod-sunod na ace. The Queen of Service. Pablo and Urdas got their signals crossed that time. And Jarrell Singh hits it long. Coach Tai is now enjoying his workout. 8-5 Ateneo, set number 4. And let's listen into the huddle of Coach Roger.
Alam mo, nasa ilalim ka. Bakit kailangan rumpakin mo ng todo-todo? Alam mo palang nasa ilalim, pero pag nasa ibabaw ka, pinapantok mo lang na ganun yung Sabi ko nga sa inyo, paano kayo magkakaroon ng kumpiyansa kung ganyan lalaroin niyo? Bawat palo, error. Susunod na palo, mas malayo, matinding error. Paano kayo magkakakumpiyansa niya? Kaya ang level pa naman ng isip ninyo, sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina kung anong takbo ng isip ninyo. Ayan na, lumalabas na. Re-receive tayo, Icon. Tatayo ka rito. Tatayo ka dyan. Tatayo yung bola sa ulo mo, hindi mo gumagalaw. Kasi na re-receive kasi. Okay, sinet sa'yo. Hindi. Bakit na makikipagagawan sa second? Hinayaan mo sila. Sinet sa'yo, malayo. Bakit papuntukin mo ng ganun lang yung bola? Ang layo mo eh. Dapat nga mahaba yung palo mo eh. Tapos magsisigawan yung mga tao kasi ang pangit ng palo mo. Pwede magiging mararamdaman mo. Magsisigawan.
And of course, after the tongue lashing by Coach Roger Gorayev, let's listen now to the pleasant voice of Trisha Robredo.
In a conversation I had with Lady Bulldogs Captain Jarrell Singh, sabi niya sa akin na going up against Ateneo is not just about Eliza Valdez now. It's about going up against the entire Ateneo team, which evidently includes the crowd as well. Na ngayon nakausap ko nga dati ang fan base na Ali Finity, and I found out that the reason why laging may supporters ang Lady Eagles ay they see to it na at the very least 20 people daw ang present para ipadama ang suporta. Kompleto yan with the shirts, the cheers, and the posters. Talagang hindi na sila maaalis at ito ay bagay na hindi na daw kayang kontrolin ng Lady Bulldogs. Pero sabi ni Coach Roger, you can still silence them. Medyo mabilis maratal ang mga bata niya at hindi nakakatulong na may hiyaw factor pa. Kaya tagubilin niya kanina, kayo na lang ang magpalakas ng loob ng isa't isa. Huwag sumimangot sa loob ng court dahil nakakahawa at mas mag-usap pa kayo. That's all for now, guys.
At least 20, Alinfinity.
Madami yun, not 20.
Hindi lang. Tignan nyo, kung mamaya makikita natin yung shot ng, they're never 20. There are at least 50 of them who always show up at the games of Ateneo. Sa akin, that's one of the strongest fans clubs in the Philippines. Ayan po mga pangalan namin, Noel Zarate, kasama po si Ivy Remulla at si Trisha Robredo. From the San Juan Arena, we are live here on GMA News TV. Myla Pablo cannot score. Ateneo up by 1. Here is Hekiliana. And gets that off the hands of Myla Pablo.
But you know,
Yan ang
Coach
Alinfinity.
Roger, yan.
Mukha bang 20 lang yan?
Laging ganyan karami yan, Noel,
That's at least 40 people, probably at least 50 people.
And they would usually fill up one section
Yes.
dito sa atin sa San Juan Arena.
Naalala ko anong under 23. Nagbihis pa sila parang bandila ng Pilipinas. So that's how many they were.
Yeah.
Just to support Eliza Valdez and the rest of the national team. And now Eliza Valdez and the rest of Ateneo. 9-8
I guess they also recognize that it helps, of course, with the opponents of Ateneo. Pag naririnig nga naman nila yung support
Right.
and yung sigaw nila for the Lady Eagles.
Jarrell Singh trying to tie it up. Good serve. Tan. Valdez galing likod. Pinadaan pa talaga kay Jaja. That crowd, yan, nakikita natin, naka-uniforme yung mga yan, nakaputi. Minsan naka-asul silang lahat. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
And maganda rin yung naging challenge nitong ni Coach Roger para dito sa Lady Bulldogs. He's actually pointing out that it's a mind game eh.
Right.
You know, it's themselves din naman na nagiging dahilan kung bakit din sila nag-error.
But so far, so good for NU, just sticking close to Ateneo. And now here's Ruby De Leon. Can it be a turnaround on her serve? Tan. Valdez. Well, sabi ni Eliza, isang beses ka lang magsiserve ngayon, Ate Ruby, ha?
And Jaja's a little bit late to catch up with the blocking.
It's an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Kiwi serving. De Leon. Pablo cross court. Nobody there for Ateneo.
Not the strongest of hits for Myla Pablo, but again, tamang angulo lang naman ang kailangan. Hanapin mong butas, dumudali ng bola, and that's 90% chance that you get a point.
Very talented attacker for the former best attacker in the league. There's Jaja Santiago. Eliza. Dug up by Jaja. Tan leaving it for De Leon. Sent back there by Manabat. Here's Valdez. Oh, wow. Through everybody.
Jarrell Singh was, doon na siya eh. Na sobrang bilis lang talaga ng bola ni Eliza, hindi niya naiangat.
Lahat nilusutan ni Eliza. 4 ang nilusutan niya doon.
You know, when you're going up against Eliza Valdez, you have to make sure na saradong-sarado talaga ang blocking mo.
Ooh. Dindin almost got lucky that time. Maraginot. General. De Leon. Myla Pablo off the block. So Pablo trying to single-handedly keep NU in this fourth set. And there will be a substitution here for Ateneo. Kayla Chanco Williams will return for Kim Hek Iliana. So I would think more experience now being put in.
Yes.
You know Kayla very well. What does she bring now for Ateneo?
Well, of course, given the opportunity, we can see malakas din ang ano niyan eh, hitting arm.
Yeah. Third ball. Given up there by Urdas. Williams. Back set kay Eliza, too near. Did not cross. Yes, she crossed.
There's a crossing violation.
Kala ko nakapreno siya in time.
Pero nakita ng ating mga referees yun eh.
Wala. Sabi ni Eliza, wala.
Konti lang eh.
Nagdahilan pa talaga.
Pero
No?
hindi pinalalagpas sa referee yung kahit
Dapat lang
konti
naman
lang eh.
Kahit konti, meron pa rin yan. Oh, wow. Eliza says, ito na nga lang gagawin ko. Pablo was saying that she dug it up. Okay, the deafening noise on the Eliza Valdez serve. Sabay tahimik eh, no? Sisigaw
Hihiyaw
naman
mo na
ako.
sila, tapos pa magsuserve na, tumatahimik na sila.
But it did not help that time. 13-all. The Supernatural back to serve. Valdez, Tan, Williams. What you like to see is when Williams scores, she has one of the best celebration screams. Take a look at this again. Bang! Kayla Chanco Williams with her first point of the game. Enough to give Ateneo the lead. Bea De Leon. Lifted up now for Dindin. Did not get that one across. A late whistle, but the correct whistle here from Liberato Benito.
Another point para dito sa Ateneo. Ateneo scoring off the errors dito sa NU.
Dalawa na po ang abante rito ng Lady Eagles. Trying to close it out in 4 sets. Mikasa is the official call of the Shakey's B-League. I don't believe Bea De Leon is only 5'10". According to our list, 5'10", that's impossible.
Ngayon, 5'10", siya din mo next conference, 6 na yan.
Ganun ba? Bea De Leon nakalagay 177. That's 5'10". That's not right. She looks like she's a lot longer than that.
Pero madaya talaga ang babae eh.
Bakit?
Oh, they look longer
So, yung official height is wrong sometimes.
sometimes.
Ordas.
Free ball.
Tan. Kayla. De Leon, habol, pero Jaja puts it away. Homero. Ateneo now up by 2, but you can sense that NU is not yet done. We'll be right back. Our airing schedules dito po sa GMA News TV Saturday and Sunday live at 12:45 p.m. and of course Monday to Thursday at 1 p.m. And we welcome you back dito sa ating labanan. A very close one sa fourth set between Ateneo and NU. Noel Zarate kasama si Ivy Remulla at si Trisha Robredo. And a miss by Jaja Santiago who has lost her consistency from the first set.
So she was doing very well during set number 1. And now, there's a struggle para dito kay Jaja. She has difficulty consistently getting her serves over. And dapat tingin sa atake.
Kayla Chanko Williams with a good one. Ruby. Jorel Singh. And the cross-court shot is good. So 17-15 ang ating score. Jorel Singh once again, the Alivio Multera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Jesus, Tan, Valdez, change of direction, ando naman si Myla Pablo. Myla Pablo, that is off the hands of Giselle Tan.
Myla Pablo now with 11 attack points. Although din Santiago man na, but still the number 1 scorer here for NU, 14 points, followed by Jaja with 8. And for Ateneo, Eliza Valdez already with 24 points, Noel.
What else is new?
Amy Ahumiro with 8 and Joanna Maraginot with 9.
Myla Pablo puts that one away on the errant reception. Tied at 17. Nag-tweet sa akin yung Al-Infinity. May kitsandan daw sila ngayon.
Okay.
Just a correction. Okay, that is the biggest fans club probably in the country right now.
Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, they almost always fill up a section every time na may laro.
De Leon, Pablo. That was off the hands of a defender. Valdez. General, De Leon, quick set to Jaja. Ayan na si Jaja at ayan na ang NU. Lamang na po sila. Time out, Ateneo.
I tell you already, only tip no different tip cannot. Different tip. This time together.
Isa lang. Receive. Catch lang. Hey! Next time yan.
You in front, you can tip back. Cannot send tip.
Okay.
So sundan po ang all-out kakulitan nila. Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, Jan, Vic, and Peter, and the rest of our Volley friends sa ating Viber public chat. Just go to the public chats tab sa inyong Viber app. Search and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kakulitan. Pero for now, si Eliza, si Dindin at si Jaja, wala muna dyan
wala
sa Viber.
Wala muna, hindi mo na makakasagot dyan. Off the block.
And it's sent back by Singh. Tan, Maraginot off the block again, and Singh is there again. Maraginot is called for overreaching.
Yes, that is still playable. Kaya pang kunin ni Ruby.
And Eliza will contest this one. Coach Ty.
Let's take a look at that again.
The point is it was on the side of Ateneo nung tinamaan daw ni Maraginot. But the referees say it was interfering with Ruby De Leon's job. So nasa angulo rin nila yun. Tan gets it across. De Leon. Pablo. Blocked there by Ahumiro. Ahumiro attacking on the first ball. De Leon. Jaja! That is down. As are about 4 players from Ateneo also down.
But you can see here for Ateneo, talaga everybody's trying to keep the ball alive. Everybody's flying all over everywhere.
Right. 2017 NU, 5 points away from sending us to an It's for the Fans zone. Nakailan ka na
Nagsosay
ba?
Noel eh.
Nakailan ka
Dalawa.
ba? Dalawa? Ako, 6 na yata. Oy, leading pa rin si Seven sa Casino rin, ha?
Eh, sabi mo nga, it's for the fans.
Yan.
Oh, ball sila live para dito sa NU. Free ball.
Here's Ahumiro. Tan Ahumiro gets it back and it cannot be stopped by Jorel Singh. Eliza now in front. NU up by 2. Maraguino strutting to the service line like a model.
Parang di pa napapagod eh,
Di
no?
pa nga.
Talagang mga ano niya eh. 10 sets siguro.
Grabe energy nitong batang to.
Correct.
Pablo kept alive by Ella. Played off the net. Still good from Ateneo. Ruby. Jaja. And still alive from Ella. Valdez. Singh. De Leon. And the shot by Pablo goes out.
Myla Pablo was trying to, swipe it off the hands of the blockers. Pero,
Iniisip niya rin kung crossing din siya eh.
nag-crossing din siya actually eh.
20, 19. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Maraguino trying to tie it up on her serve. De Leon, combination, Pablo, yes! Myla Pablo, percolating, if I can use that word.
Lalim ah.
Percolate, parang kape.
Pakape lang.
Mamaya-maya, kuha na rin tayo ng kape. 21-19, Ruby. Valdez off the hands of the defense. Jorel Singh could not send it back properly. Yeah. 21-20. Ahumiro. De Leon, Singh. Williams sending it to Tan. Eliza Valdez off the block. Ruby. Jaja. Kept alive by Kayla Chanko Williams. Eliza challenging Jaja that time. Jaja lifts it up. Ike Ordaz gives it up. De Leon. De Leon. Still kept alive by NU. Valdez off the head of Jaja.
They're saying no touch.
Tumama sa ulo ni Jaja. Tumama sa ulo ni Jaja. We saw that.
And
Coach Roger will not contest it anymore. Tignan mo.
Take a look at that again.
Boom. On her head.
Yan ang disadvantage pag tangkad mo eh.
Oh. Tied at 21. Ahumiro. Good serve. Ateneo has claimed the lead. Time out, Roger Gorayev. Lamang po ng 3 kanina ang NU. 21-18. 4 straight for Ateneo.
Sa service na doon eh. Tumana pa tayo dito. Anong kahinalog natin? Ito, tumating yung bola dito. Bakit sinet mo yung bola? Bakit sinet mo? Tumating dito yung bola. Ayos naman yung dating sa'yo ng bola. Bakit sinet mo? Kaya ba? Tumatangay ko. Hindi ba talaga tatay ko? Hindi ka naman pwede sabihin sa bigyan kita ng kutsilyo tapos matapang ka na rin. Bihira na rin kayo.
Ateneo still needs 3 points for the match.
That's right. So it's not yet over. Isa pa lang naman po ito sa kalamangan nitong Ateneo. But you gotta love really, the challenge that Coach Roger is posing to the team. Hindi niya, ang pinapoint out na lagi is yung tapang Sa tapang sa loob ng court. And I think that's also one of the things that he wants to develop to these girls. Lalong-lalo na pagpasok nila ng kanilang collegiate tournament.
That's right. Ahumiro. Back set ngayon. And Myla Pablo ties it up. 22 all. Jaja Santiago trying to give NU the lead once again. Sub. And our first look now at Doromal, who will be seeing her first action. So Roma Doromal will come in to serve for Jaja.
Again, very crucial para dito kay Doromal. She must make sure that this serve goes over.
This is the first substitution for NU sa laban na ito. And it comes at a very crucial stage. Good serve from Doromal. Valdez. Oh, Dindin tried to get it over. Coach Roger not happy with the execution of his guest player. Ateneo 2 points away from staying undefeated. And heading into the semifinals as the bona fide number 1 squad. Giselle Tan. Ordaz, pamimigay. Tan. Bea de Leon. Still alive. Manabat gets it across. Jesus. Tan. Combination. Eliza. Malakas. No check ball.
3-point na yun para sa Lady Bulldogs. We're tied at 23. So ngayon dito natin makikita yung tapang na hinahanap ni Coach Roger. 2 points away from getting the set.
Myla Pablo serving. Back set ngayon for Valdez. Going through the defense. Match point Ateneo. And it is the captain of Ateneo to serve now. Coach Tai telling everybody to relax. Valdez. De Leon. Ordaz. Turned back there by Bea De Leon. And it's over. The Ateneo de Manila University Lady Eagles sweep the quarterfinals and are now officially the number 1 seed in the semifinals. And the National University finishing as the number 2 seed will await kung sino mga kalaban nila. Let's take a look at our shake and play. Bea De Leon just closing her hands that time and getting it done, Ivy.
Good timing there for Bea De Leon. Yun yung talagang not leaving the attackers. Good job to the Lady Bulldogs and also good job para sa ating Lady Eagles.
Well, Ateneo lost the first set big time. Makita natin dito 25-15. But they came storming back, survived the Myla Pablo surge. Talaga Myla Pablo played very, very well. Although Dindin Santiago Manabat still led them in scoring. But Myla Pablo played well enough to almost send it to a 5th set. So again, a 4-set win for Ateneo, the number 1 team in the semifinals now. I think Trisha Robredo is getting ready to interview our hands-down player of the game from Ateneo, Eliza Valdez. Go ahead, Trisha.
Okay, so Eliza, kanina medyo git-gitan tayo sa 4th set. Well, most teams usually crumble under pressure. Kayo, naipanalo niyo pa yung laro. What was going through your head that time?
Well, Coach Tai keeps on reminding us na just play happy and just enjoy the game Yun lang naman. And everyone talaga really played well. Sobra. Simula sa bench, coach, all the way to the players inside the court. Sobra. I'm so thankful. We're so thankful na nakuha namin yung win today.
Congratulations, Eliza. The rest of the Lady Eagles na undefeated pa rin hanggang ngayon. So as player of the game, we present to you this box of Shakey's from Shakey's, of course. Huli ba may gusto kong batiin sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon?
Hi sa family ko siya sa San Juan, Batangas, and happy wedding sa wedding anniversary ng grandparents ko. Hello po, and family ko sa parents ko, and sino ba? To all the people na nandito ay nasa bahay na nanonood, hello po, and sa lahat ng nag-opening ng UAAP, good luck to all the teams. Hey, one big fight.
Okay, thank you very much, Eliza, and back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Eliza Valdez. Well-deserved. One big fight. Ateneo is still undefeated. And of course, dyan po magwawakas sa aming live na paghatid sa inyo ng Shakey's Feeling on behalf of Trisha Robredo and my partner, Ivy Remulla. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!